Yeah, we are here live with Mr. Rudolph Speid of Cavaliers. Being with a smile, having secured the 3 points with 3 goals against a Tivoli team. I mean, talk to us about the game, Mr. Speed.
Right. So the first half, we definitely came to keep possession, but I thought we were playing too slow and we didn't take the opportunities when they arise to penetrate. So first half was really not very good for us. We kept a lot of possession, but then Tivoli developed and delivered a sucker punch, and they were leading 1-0 at the end.
Yeah. I mean, we also noticed that at the beginning of the first half, you adjusted how your team was playing. They played faster, but possessionally, in terms of how they were on the field, they were different, and that caused some problems with the Tivoli team. I mean, what was the mindset behind that
It's
change?
actually a slight adjustment. We just went to two strikers instead of one. They were very slight, but what it did, it caused their two centre half to be working all the time. We realized that they were struggling for pace, and that was really the difference in the second half.
Yeah, I mean, is there anything? I mean, you're seeing coming out of the game. Yes, there's a victory. Is there anything in the game that you think like, listen, given from what I've seen, here are some adjustments we need to make. At the end of the first round, because this is the last game in the first round.
Yeah, definitely. But
Yeah.
if you remember, today we were playing without a couple of our players, so we would normally would start. And today also we decided to give some players who were not like Shadi and Lopez's debut. We put Webster and Atkins on the bench, just saying if we needed them, they would be able to come on. So we won the game before they came on. So this was the last game that we wanted to be toying around with formations and personnel. In the stretch drive now, it's gonna be just serious business. The best 11 was perform over the first round. That's what we're going to be using, and see if we can climb up the ladder because we're like fifth, but we need to get to somewhere higher.
All right. Well, thank you so much, Mr. Speed. All the best to you and your team. Safe travel back to Kingston, and see you in the second round.
Thank you very much.